Hello friends, welcome to MNS Zone. Today I am going to discuss MCQ related to digestion and absorption chapter for MNS 2022. So the first question is, which of the following provides correct description of human dentition? Human dentition means characteristic arrangement, kind and number of teeth. So feature of human dentition is first diphyodont. Diphyodont मतलब teeth erupt twice in life. Firstly male teeth, then permanent teeth. Next is thecodont, means teeth are present in sockets. And the last one is heterodont. Heterodont means different type of teeth, that is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So the correct option is option A. Question number 2 is, the tongue is attached to the floor of oral cavity by uvula, frenulum, epiglottis or glottis. So the correct answer of question number 2 is frenulum. The tongue is attached to the floor of oral cavity by frenulum. Next question is, dash portion of stomach opens into the duodenum via dash. Select the option which correctly describes A and B respectively. In this question, we have to draw stomach. We all know that stomach is divided into 4 parts. This is esophagus, and this stomach opens into duodenum. This part of stomach is fundus. This part is called as cardiac. This one is body, and the last part which opens into duodenum is called pyloric. So pyloric opens into duodenum. At the junction of pyloric, a part of stomach, and duodenum, एक स्फिंक्टर प्रेजेंट होता है यहाँ पे जिसको बोलते हैं पायलोरिक स्फिंक्टर. तो थर्ड ऑप्शन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. Pyloric portion of stomach opens into duodenum via pyloric sphincter. Question number 4. Which of the following is the longest portion of small intestine? Duodenum, ileum, cecum or jejunum? The correct option is option B, ileum. Ileum is the highly coiled portion of small intestine. Question number 5. Wall of colon has sac-like structures known as haustra, tinea coli, epiploic appendages or appendix. Since we know that longitudinal muscle in the wall of colon form 3 elastic bands known as tinea coli. These tinea coli give sac-related appearance to colon called as haustra. So the correct option is B, option A, haustra. Question number 6. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Option A. Lymphoid tissue of pharynx is arranged in the form of a ring called Waldeyer's ring. That is correct. Option B. Rumen is the largest chamber of stomach of ruminants meant for storage of food. That is also correct. Option C. During swallowing, glottis covers the opening of windpipe, that is epiglottis. That is totally incorrect because we know that glottis is windpipe and epiglottis is the flap of cartilage. यहाँ पे ये दोनों रिवर्स में अगर लिखे होते तो ये ऑप्शन बिल्कुल ठीक होता, लेकिन इनको रिवर्स करके ये पूरा गलत कर दिया है क्योंकि glottis is the windpipe and epiglottis is the flap. So the incorrect option is option C. Question number 7. Layers of oblique muscle is present in stomach. Between serosa or muscularis, between circular and longitudinal muscle layer, between submucosa and mucosa, or between submucosa and circular muscle layer. So एलिमेंट्री कैनाल अगर हम देखते हैं तो जो आउटर लेयर होती है वो है सेरोसा, उसके अंदर मस्कुलरिस आती है. मस्कुलरिस के 2 पार्ट हैं, आउटर साइड में लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल मसल है और इनर दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द ल्यूमन सर्कुलर मसल आती है. उसके बाद सबम्यूकोसा, फिर म्यूकोसा. तो जो स्टमक में प्रेजेंट होती है ऑब्लिक मसल वो इनर लेयर ऑफ इनर लेयर ऑफ मस्कुलरिस दैट इज सर्कुलर मसल और सबम्यूकोसा के बीच में प्रेजेंट होती है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. Question number 8. Pepsinogen is secreted by which cells of stomach? Answer is A. Pepsinogen is secreted by chief cells, which is also known as zymogen or peptic cells. Question number 9. The salivary glands that are located at the angle of the lower jaw are. Answer is option C. Submandibular glands. Question number 10. Bile is secreted by which part of the liver? Bile is secreted by liver cells. Liver cells are also known as hepatocytes. So the correct option is option B, hepatocytes. Question number 11. Which of the following is not present in the bile? Bile is secreted by liver cells, and we are aware of the fact that liver do not secrete any digestive enzyme. So option A is correct. Enzymes are not present in the bile. Question number 12. Salivary amylase act at the pH of. Salivary amylase acts at slightly alkaline pH of 6.8. So option A is correct. Question number 13. Intrinsic factor essential for absorption of vitamin B12 is secreted by. Intrinsic factor को Castle intrinsic factor भी बोलते हैं. This factor is secreted by parietal cells, जिसको auxentic cells भी कहा जाता है. This factor, Castle intrinsic factor, is essential for vitamin B12 absorption. So the correct option is option C. Question number 14. Which organ stores and concentrates the bile? Correct answer is option B. Gallbladder stores and concentrates the bile. Question number 15. A common duct that opens into duodenum is guarded by sphincter of Oddi is formed by joining of. A common duct. Okay, this is common duct, common bile duct. Common bile duct मतलब यहाँ से cystic duct, gallbladder की duct और liver की duct, that is hepatic duct. दोनों duct जब मिलके यहाँ से आती हैं, इसको हम common bile duct कहते हैं, और ये यहाँ से duodenum में ओपन होती है. यहाँ पे जो sphincter प्रेजेंट होता है उसको sphincter of Oddi भी बोलते हैं. क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि जो कॉमन बाइल डक्ट है ये एक और डक्ट से जुड़कर तब ड्यूडेनम में खुलती है, तो ये जो दूसरी डक्ट है वो कौन सी है? A common duct that opens into duodenum and is guarded by sphincter of Oddi is formed by joining of main pancreatic duct and common bile duct. So option B is correct. Question number 16. The functional duct of pancreas that joins the bile duct is. ये भी पहले वाले डायग्राम से रिलेटेड है. ये रही हमारी बाइल डक्ट, और फंक्शनल डक्ट कौन सी है पैनक्रियास की? ये जो ड्यूडेनम में मिल रही है दोनों जाके. ये वाली, ये पैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट है. ये मेन फंक्शनल डक्ट है, इसको ही वर्सिंग्स डक्ट कहते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, डक्ट ऑफ वर्सिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. द अमाउंट ऑफ स्टार्च दैट इज नॉर्मली हाइड्रोलाइज्ड इन द ओरल कैविटी इज डैश ऑफ टोटल इनटेक. State the option which fills the blank in above statement correctly. So the correct answer is option D, 30%. 30% of starch is normally hydrolyzed in the oral cavity. Okay. Question number 18. In which of the following organ crypts of lubricants are found? So the correct option is small intestine. This is the structure of small intestine. ये small intestine के अंदर जो माइक्रोविलाई होती हैं ये वो माइक्रोविलाई हैं, ओके, ये पार्ट, ये माइक्रोविलाई हैं, और ये जो डिप्रेशन है यहीं पे क्रिप्स ऑफ लिबर्किन होते हैं, ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, partially digested food that comes out of stomach is called, when we engulf food, esophagus में उसे बोलस कहते हैं। इन स्टमक एंजाइम फूड पर काम करते हैं, तो वो जो फूड है जिस पे एंजाइम ने अपना काम कर दिया है, वो जब ड्यूडेनम में जाने वाला होता है उसको काइम बोलते हैं। इट इज़ हाईली एसिडिक फूड इन स्टमक, सो द पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ द स्टमक इज कॉल्ड काइम। Question number 20. In which part of alimentary canal digestion of carbohydrates start? Digestion of carbohydrate starts in oral cavity. Option A is correct. Question number 21. Cystic duct drains out the secretion from. Cystic duct को duct of gallbladder कहते हैं. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Question number 22. Exocrine portion of pancreas secretes. Pancreas is a heterocrine gland which has both exocrine and endocrine portion. So the exocrine portion of pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Option B is correct. Question number 23. Digestion of proteins in human begins in stomach. Option B is correct because in stomach protein gets converted into proteoses and peptones by pepsin enzyme. Okay. Question number 24. Which of the following proteolytic enzyme is not a part of Succus entericus? Succus entericus is secreted from crypts of Lieberkühn. Okay. Succus entericus को हम intestinal juice भी बोलते हैं. Intestinal proteolytic enzyme are present in Succus entericus. Its group of enzyme is called erepsin. ठीक है, तो इन एरेप्सिन में दो तरीके के एंजाइम्स आ जाते हैं मेनली. द फर्स्ट वन इज अमाइनो पेप्टाइडेज एंड सेकेंड वन इज डाइपेप्टाइडेज. तो एरेप्सिन एक प्रोटीओलिटिक एंजाइम है, डाइपेप्टाइडेज भी है, अमाइनो पेप्टाइडेज भी है, जो इसमें ऑप्शन है नहीं. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी, कार्बोक्सी पेप्टाइडेज. Question number 25. Emulsification of fats occurs in dash and is done with the help of. Option D is correct. Emulsification of fats occur in duodenum with the help of bile salts. Question number 26. Statement A. Pancreatic juice contain trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidases, amylase, lipase and nucleases in active state. Statement B. Pancreatic juice is released via hepatopancreatic duct in duodenum. Statement B is correct, but in statement A there is some error. That is, pancreatic juice contains trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, amylase, lipase and nuclease. Pancreatic juice में ये सारे enzymes तो होते हैं, but not in active state. Trypsinogen is present as trypsinogen, chymotrypsin is present as chymotrypsinogen, and carboxypeptidase is present as procarboxypeptidase. So these are the inactive form of these enzymes. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. That states statement A is incorrect and B is correct. Question number 27. Which of the following enzyme of intestinal juice does not have direct role in the digestion of nutrient? So the correct answer is enterokinase. Enterokinase do not play any direct role in digestion. It just converts the trypsinogen into its active form, that is trypsin. So it has no direct use. Question number 28. Which of the following enzyme helps in early digestion of milk protein in infants? Option A is correct, that is renin. Question number 29. Formation of micelles during digestion of fats occur in. Since we all know that fatty acids and glycerol, being insoluble, cannot be absorbed into the blood, they are first incorporated into small droplets called micelles, which move into intestinal mucosa. So micelles formation occurs in the lumen of small intestine. So the correct option is option D, lumen of small intestine. Question number 13. Which of the following is important for conversion of pepsinogen into pepsin? HCl converts pepsinogen into pepsin, so option B is correct, HCl. Question number 31. Which of the following molecules are absorbed by only passive transport in small intestine? Transport of water depends upon the osmotic gradient. Therefore, water is absorbed by only passive transport in small intestine. So the correct option is option D, water. Question number 32. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Glucose and amino acids are the end product of starch and protein digestion respectively. That is correct. Fatty acids and glycerol are absorbed in the form of micelles and are then transported to lacteal as such. That is totally incorrect. So the incorrect option is option B. Vomit center of body is located in, option A is correct, medulla oblongata. Question number 34. Which of the following disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A? Vitamin A. Answer of question number 34 is option A. So that's all from this chapter. Please like, share and subscribe for more content related to MNS. Okay. Thank you guys.